5 minutes of listening.
This Sunday is Mother's Day. Have you thought of a gift for your mother yet?
Not yet, teacher. Not yet, teacher.
Shall we write cards and make coupons as gifts for Mom?
I agree!
Great. I've prepared white cards. Your mission today is to decorate them. Then you write wishes and words of love to send to your mother, along with coupons. I also prepared gift boxes. Teacher, how will we decorate the card? You can use crayons, stickers, blue pens, red pens, or black pens. Yes, teacher. Each person will have 2 white cards. One is used to write wishes for your mother, and one is used as a coupon. Who is ready to make a gift for Mom?
Me!
Great. If you need any help, just tell me. I'll give you a hand. Do you know how to decorate cards so beautifully?
Of course I know.
It's as easy as pie to me. I'm not good at decorating. Don't worry. Let me give you a hand. Thank you. Oh, I forgot to bring my crayons.
Here, use mine.
Thank you. What would you write on the coupon? I think I will help my mother with the housework.
Housework?
Yes. Something wrong? No, it's not about you. It's about me. I really hate housework. Me too, but I have to do it. I'm sick and tired of talking about this. So, in your house, who does the housework? When my mother is free, she will do it. If she is busy, she will hire someone to do the housework. What is your mother's job? My mother is a successful businesswoman. She is very busy. She is willing to go the extra mile at work. Now she is a professional in her work. My mother is a housewife, so the housework is done by her. I feel so lucky. I think it's time to help Mom with the housework. What would you write on the coupon? I will cook for my mother. She is rarely at home, so I want to eat with her more. If you're sick and tired of housework, I'm sick and tired of cooking. Why? I helped my mother cook. I put the turkey in the oven. But you forgot to turn on the button, right? Yeah, you read my mind. So, my family had to wait a while for dinner. Lisa, what do you think? It looks so behind the times. Hey, it's good. Look closely. I'm over the moon with it. Are you done? Yes. Put the cards in these boxes.
Thanks, teacher.
Anyway, Tom and Lisa, can you give me a hand? I need you to help me distribute small gift boxes to everyone. Of course, teacher. It looks so childish.
Give me my card.
Oops. Oh my, we should put them back. Right. "5 p.m. Let's call it a day. See you on Monday."
Goodbye, teacher.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Open it, Mom. Are you like it? I like it, thank you. Lisa, I see you have a box.
Yes, Dad. This is a gift to you, Mom.
That's so cute. Oh, there is something in the box. It's a card.
Yes, Chris.
It's a handmade card, isn't it?
Yes, I made it. Wait, that card looks weird. I remember my card is not like that.
It looks so childish.
Hey, Chris, don't judge a book by its cover.
Sorry. Anyway, it's so cute. Thank you, Lisa. Can I read it now?
Yes, Mom.
Housework is boring and repetitive. It's unending. No matter how dedicated we are to keeping a spotless home, it will always be a mess again.
Housework? When did I write it?
What did you write, Lisa? Playing games is a lot more fun than doing housework. I can spend all day playing games, but can't do housework for even 10 minutes. Lisa likes playing games? Have you been playing games all day, Lisa? No, Dad. That's what you wrote.
Listen, I don't know why that coupon is like that. But that's not me.
So who? But, Mom, those are my thoughts in the past. I wonder how you could be so selfless. You woke up at 5 in the morning every day to help us. You did all housework. I won't promise to do housework for a day, a week, or a month, but I promise to do it with you every day, a little bit each day. I love you. That's so lovely, Lisa. Yeah. Thank you, my mom. Tom loves you. Tom? Who is Tom? Tom is my friend sitting next to me in class. I don't know why our gift box was swapped. But Mom, you are my idol. You brought me into this world and give me a happy life, delicious food, beautiful dolls, and expensive clothes. You made sure I was happy even when you were facing a hard time. You're so busy, but rain or shine, you still drive me to school. Oh, Lisa. I still remember how you spent sleepless nights not leaving my bedside when I was sick. Thank you, Mom. I love you so much. I love you too, my sweetheart. I love you too, Mom.
Five minutes of vocabulary. Crayon.
Please repeat after me. Crayon.
Crayon, a stick of colored wax used for drawing or coloring.
Crisis crayons, you think?
Crisis crayons, absolutely.
Mom, where's my crayon?
Written in crayon and mustard stain.
Mama, I need crayon.
Oh, I forgot to bring my crayons.
Coupon. Please repeat after me. Coupon. Coupon. A voucher that offers a discount or a special deal on products or services.
Oh yeah, coupons are a big thing.
Everyone uses coupons.
We're getting more coupons.
I have a coupon.
These are Cooper coupons.
What would you write on the coupon?
Rarely. Please repeat after me. Rarely. Rarely. Not often.
It rarely is, my boy. It rarely is.
Rarely, Miss Kiernan.
Very rarely.
This rarely works.
She is rarely at home, so I want to eat with her more.
Turkey. Please repeat after me, turkey. Turkey. A large bird that is often kept for its meat. Eaten especially at Christmas in the UK and at Thanksgiving in the US.
Sandwiches. No turkey salad, no turkey gravy, turkey hash, turkey...
You can do some turkey.
Different job. What kind of turkey? I'm a big turkey or small?
There's turkeys in there now. Real turkeys.
I put the turkey in the oven.
Distribute. Please repeat after me. Distribute. Distribute. To give something out to several people or to spread or supply something.
Distributor. Distributor. It's different, okay?
Still willing to distribute.
Forget intent to distribute.
We have to distribute it.
I need you to help me distribute small gift boxes to everyone.
Childish. Please repeat after me. Childish. Childish. A behavior that is immature or typical of a child.
You're being childish.
Being very childish.
Isn't that rather childish?
That was childish, man.
It looks so childish.
7 minutes of speaking.
Thanks for inviting me to dinner. Please visit our house more often, so we can cook more dishes for you, Dad. Thanks, I will. Don't change your mind.
Of course, Dad.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Oh, I have a coupon. What is it written, Mom? Make a dish for Mom.
Cook? Tom makes a dish for Mom?
Me? That's a weird coupon. Tom is bad at cooking.
Hey, Bella, don't say that.
You even confuse salt and sugar.
I can cook.
I don't believe that.
I will cook for Mom. Not only one dish, but I will cook 2 dishes.
Really?
Yes, right now. I'm sure everyone will like it. What does Tom cook for me? Oh, I like eggs. You're so cute, Tom.
Thanks, Grandpa.
It's fried eggs and boiled vegetables.
Even I can do those 2 dishes.
You don't know anything, Bella. It doesn't matter what the dish is. I choose simple dishes, but they have high nutritional value. And everyone likes them. I know, Tom. I really like eggs and vegetables. Sorry, Mom. Actually, I want to give you the housework coupon, but... No, it's okay, Tom. I like your gift. Thanks, Mom. You woke up every day at 5 in the morning to help us. You did all housework. You tolerated all my tantrums, door slams, and silent treatments. Even though I was not the perfect child, you were a perfect mother to me. You're always my perfect son. Thank you for everything you have given me, Mommy. You gave me the best gift. Lisa, I took your box by mistake. I know. Is everything going well? Yeah, to make a long story short, everything is going well. What a blessing in disguise.
Three minutes of reviewing. Question 1. What does the coupon Tom gave Rose say? A. Make a dish for Mom. B. Help Mom with housework. C. Give Mom a letter. The correct answer is A. Make a dish for Mom. Question 2. What dish did Tom decide to cook for his mom? A. Fried eggs and boiled vegetables. B. A cake and salad. C. Grilled chicken and steamed rice. The correct answer is A. Fried eggs and boiled vegetables. Question 3. Why does Bella think Tom is bad at cooking? A. He doesn't know how to cook eggs. B. He often confuses salt and sugar. C. He never cooks at home. The correct answer is B. He often confuses salt and sugar. Question 4. Why did Tom choose to cook fried eggs and boiled vegetables? A. Because there are only eggs and vegetables left in the fridge. B. Because it's Tom's favorite. C. Because they are simple but have high nutritional value. The correct answer is C. Because they're simple but have high nutritional value. Question 5. What time did Rose usually wake up every day? A. 7 in the morning. B. 6 in the morning. C. 5 in the morning. The correct answer is C. 5 in the morning. Question 6. Who mistakenly took Lisa's gift box? A. Tom's dad. B. Tom. C. Bella. The correct answer is B.
Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.